Hello friends, and I was telling that I will make a video but you not listen. So I have made a video but on science, and today's subject is science. In this I will give you question, exercise and workout. I have taken a topic, a chapter. That chapter name is plant reproduction. The topic is dispersal of seeds. Dispersal of seeds. The process of scattering of seeds or fruits from the parent plants are known as dispersal. That when the seeds fly away from the parent plant, that is known as dispersal. Seeds are carried away from the parent plant to far off places by three explosive things that are wind, water, animal, or explosion of foods. The three ways in that the seed dispersal the process is done. There are three main process are there. Three process. First is wind, water, and animals. So we look at the first topic, that is wind. So the first dispersal is dispersal by wind. I will tell in detail by line. The wind is the natural meaning of seeds dispersal in the plant kingdom. The wind is the natural meaning thing of the seed dispersal. The process of dispersal is mainly seen in those plants that have very light seeds. That some plants like cotton and dandelion plants have seeds on its flower. That there is picture in the first. It is dandelion seed. In this you can see it is a small inside this plant, and above this there are many leaves. When they flew away in the air, they go very far away. In this cotton plant also, in the middle there is something In this one you can see it properly. The cottons are above it. When we don't take out cotton, then it flew away very high. So the seed dispersal is done by wind. Now seed dispersal by water. There are three types of dispersal, and the first type was dispersal by wind, and the second is dispersal by water. In this method, the seed dispersal seeds float away from their parent plants, that I have told, by wind. That in the middle there is the main plant stem, and there are many makomamas. In these are mainly seen in the plants which lives in water or nearby the water bodies, like bodies like beaches, lakes, ponds, etc. Coconut, palm, mangroves, water lily, water mint are a few examples of those seeds were dispersed by water. Now we go to dispersal by animal, and this is the last dispersal that I am telling you. Few animals and birds attack bright colorful fruits. They eat the entry fruits on only the juice part digestion by their system, and the seeds are executed in the form of their dropping, which forms into a new plants. This that some animals eat only the upper part, not the inner part, so that the seed part is inside. So when the seed gets dried, and after months, weeks and months, that grows into a new plant, and the plants from a small fruit form a big large huge tree, like blackberry, cherry, tomato, apple are the seed dispersal in this way. Few plants which bear seeds with hooks. Rudolph plant is the example of this type species. The seed of these plants catch off on the fur of animals and are carried always to different places far from their parents' animals. That this is saying that example, this is a tree. This is a tree. And this is a fruit. So when the fruits fall inside, there is a seed. That example, this is a circle. This is a circle. And this side, this is a fur. I will show again. This is a fruit, and this is some furs goes to many places, and the fur forms a new plant, especially the burdock plant forms in this. Many more plants form, but this is also formed. Now this is the last I will telling. That is dispelled by explosion. I was telling in the first correctly, I think, but there are 4 explosions in fruits refer to bursting all its energy. In this case, as the fruits get ripped in shoots out its seeds into the external environment. This type of seeds dispersal is mainly seen in those plants having ponds. Example: peas and plasm. So, when example, I'm telling that you can understood that this is the land, and you sowed a that this is a land, and you sowed a beach of pea, and you stump a wood on near it. That plant pea can climb longer and longer. When the plant goes up and forms when it goes big, then the peas are some peas are very high. When it goes from here to down, but then some seeds go here and there, so that the dispersal by explosion is done. That the pea is high, some peas are grew up high, so from there it will go down. So it will अंदर से छिला जाएगा, अपने आप बाहर निकल जाएगा। और इसी so there this process is this process is known as dispersal by explosion. Or did you not understand? So I will tell you it later. Now there is a worksheet. You have to I will do this activity or workout worksheet, and you have all to do it. Take a balloon and fill with some kidney beans, that the beans of the pea, or any seed available at home. Don't go out in home with any seed is there or any plant seed is there. You fill water and in that water, I will tell you that you can't understand properly. एक बलून ले लेंगे हम सब, और कोई भी हमारे पास बीज होगा, उस बीज के उसे बलून के अंदर अच्छे बलून के अंदर डाल देंगे और उससे अच्छे से बांध देंगे. Take a plain piece of long cloth or table and spread it properly on the floor. Stand at one end of the table cloth and pop the balloon with the help of safety pin. That we have to take हमें एक कपड़ा लेना है, टेबल क्लॉथ या कोई भी कपड़ा, और उसे हम स्प्रेड कर देंगे, चारों ओर फैला देंगे. और उसे फैलाकर जैसे ये मैंने क्लॉथ ली, इसे मैंने फैला दिया और उसके ऊपर बलून रहेगा. फिर उसके एक किनारे से हम उसके ऊपर पैर रखेंगे और फिर ये जो बलून हम लोग एक तरफ से पैर रखेंगे और सेफ्टी पिन से उसके अंदर छेद कर देंगे. Next process. Take one measuring tape or scale to measure the distance traveled by seed. Note down the observation. Tell the what happened in this process. That we will take a tape or scale to measure the distance traveled by seeds. The seeds will inside, so we will the small seeds, not the big seeds we will take. Or you cannot do if you can't do. Next activity is look at the cotton tree. Notice the colors of its flowers. Observe as they dry and what happens to the fruits. Next, plant a cactus and take care of it. You have to plant a cactus and take care. Plant a coriander seed and write down the process of dispersal on the same. You can the you can do both, or you can do one. If you take a cactus plant, you have to take care of it and write the process. Now the exercise is, you have to write what is dispersal. Name the different ways of the plant disperse seed given in each example. Third question, how is water helpful in seeds dispersal given example? If you don't understand, you can see this. I will send you a PDF and you can see this and answer it. But I will give you a question paper. In that I will not tell that chapter, and if you will do honesty with using without net, then whose answer will be correct, and whose honesty. If anyone will not do with honest, I will remove from an admin. You have to do this by own, no cheating. You know how much you write, only that, and understand properly that I have some question. You can take the screenshot of this and do this. I am giving time to take the screenshot. One minute. Don't take this copy. After this, take this one. First, this, take the screenshot. Or don't take the screenshot of this. Also, take the screenshot of this. After that, this, fill in the blanks, write true, false. This is also you have done. This fill in the blanks, and true false you will not do. And this was that I have given you.